Hey man, my name is Ace. I just got recruited and got thrown to the front lines. What's your name?
My name's Jeff. I've been here for about 6 months. Why do they call you Ace?
Why do you think? A few months ago during basic training we were playing cards. I was a rather slick hustler and cheater, so I hit an ace in the side of my helmet. Well, it was so hot out that the card melted to the side of the helmet. We weren't really supposed to be playing cards at that moment. Suddenly, a drill sergeant called us. He saw the card sticking to my helmet, and the next thing I knew, I was down on my hands and knees scrubbing the bathroom with a toothbrush.
Wow. That is ridiculous. You sir are right. Well, back in my training we were running on a trail in the woods. I was towards the back of our line and there were quite a few of us. Suddenly, the front of the line halted. Those of us in the back ran up to see what was going on. The drill sergeant was on his radio, panicking. We thought it was probably bad. Actually, in the middle of a road was a giant giraffe with the drill sergeant's helmet in its mouth. Behind it was a giant elephant. I guess they had escaped from the zoo.
Well, I wish I had that much excitement at my training. I guess I like it here. You're pretty cool, Jeff. And funny.
Wait. What's that sound? Well, I guess it's nothing we can't handle, right, friend? Let's go check it out.